Okay guys, it seems like all my highlights lately are very low price stocks. Again, it's not usually what I mess with, but low volume summer, sometimes those are where the passion is. Genom, G-N-O-M. You can see this daily candles the other day had a crazy move, then a gap up, and then settled in for a couple days. We had another nice follow-up trade on this today. It actually looked like this when one of our members, Jim H., pointed it out and said, hey, what about Genome if it breaks the high of the day? All right, so I brought it up on my own chart, panned out, added a trend line, and you could see that over this trend line, you could have a nice second wave here. So a great alert by Jim. I went ahead and called it at, I think, 265 was my entry idea. Worst case stop, 8 cents below. You can see what happened. The 8 cents is misleading because look what happened when it hit 265. They started chasing it, and we were selling into that. And it ended up going to 307. So that is a 15% move in our favor. On again, it's 8 cents risk, but not really, because once it triggered, never looked back. That was one of those rare easy money trades. I mean, you take the entry and you're literally in the green nicely almost immediately. So again, I'm not these lower priced ones aren't my forte, but I had a nice chunk of profit in that one today. And again, not because of me, but thanks to Jim H for the alert. One of our all-stars, Wayne, pointed out Disney. Now we knew Disney was strong, okay? This morning you can see the volume landed on our early volume list, and then you can see now the market. If you traded today, you know the market was so weak early. Wayne pointed out Disney using 5-minute candles. It's always interesting when you have a stock breaking out big volume and then pulls back down into what we call the buy zone between the 20 and the 8 using 5-minute candles. Look what happens. It gets narrow, puts in a couple equal tops. Wayne's idea was over this 2-candle high, 48.78, 48.64 stop. Okay, 14 cents risk. Look what happens. All the way back through the high of the day. And a great call by Wayne, one of our all-stars. He's an all-star for a reason. That's a $1.14 per share move in our favor on 14 cents risk. I did have some other small trades, but nothing that amounted to anything. A flat in GMCR and a small trade in ATPG, and I think that was about it for the day. Looking forward to the rest of the week, though. I mean, I don't hunt or fish, but it's kind of, I always liken trading lately to, especially during the summer, to hunting and fishing. Long periods, if you're trading right, in my opinion, you can't overtrade this light volume summer action. But if you can have the wherewithal, the patience to sit and wait for certain things to unfold and then strike when you should, got to learn to put up with those periods of boredom and not nickel and dime yourself trying to overtrade the low volume. But if you can do that, and if there's one thing I think I'm good at is being patient and waiting for the setups, you can still have some nice trades during the summer. And it makes it worth it hanging out. Sometimes you think, well, long periods without trading, it's not even worth it. I'll go play golf, and if that's your thing, that's fine too. But oftentimes, you can sit for hours, and a couple nice trades can certainly make it worth it. All right, I'm not going to babble any further. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow.